My alter ego, Diego Camilo Jiménez Avellaneda. Software engineering student, Manuela Beltrán University. Mike Tyson, personal information. His name is Mike Tyson. He became a living boxing legend due to his greatest record of victories in the first round. He was disciple of Cus D'Amato and now he acts in several films. Mike Tyson has been the only heavyweight world champion at 18 years old. He was boxer of the year in 1980. Trips. Mike Tyson was travels around the world defending his title. He was in Chechnya, he was in Russia, and he was in Italy. Memorable experiences. Mike Tyson beat unrated Evander Holyfield here in a fight. In his first fight, he won by KO in the first round. He was assassin. Things he has and things he hasn't done. Mike Tyson had tagged in the movie What Happened Yesterday, and he tattooed his face. Mike Tyson acted in the movie What Happened Yesterday, and he tattooed his face. Things he might do in the future. He may create a foundation for low resources boxers in all the world. Thanks for your attention. I am Diego Jimenez, software engineering student. Thanks.